Welcome to the home of Romeo and Juliet. We're in Verona, Italy. Wandering the medieval streets, we quickly find Piazza Bra and the Roman arena built in 30 AD. Unfortunately, the line was a bit long, so we skipped this attraction. Seeking shade from the sweltering September sun, we walked in the narrow streets to stay in the shade, occasionally ducking into a church to cool off. Along the shore of the Adige River, we can see the Castel San Pietro, towering high above the city. After taking a funiculare, or cable car, we found ourselves wandering around the outside of the castle and taking in the views. From here you can see the labyrinth of the old city below. For lunch, we enjoyed, as the menu put it, ravioli according to the chef's mood. His mood today included shaved almonds. This afternoon in Verona would not be complete without a stop at Juliet's house. We were surprised that you could enter this star-crossed lover's courtyard for free. Legend has it that if you touch the breast of the statue of Juliet, it will bring you good luck. So, after patiently waiting in line,
There we go.
now that I've been granted my good luck, we continued to wander around the city and decided to stop in the Caselvecchio Museum. This restored palace gave us another break from the heat. This place was a fortress with many places to explore. I was amazed by the near photorealism of some of the art, but my interpretation may be a bit off. Like psycho kid with weird drawing. Freaky old guy. Chick with head on a platter. Snob. An angry guy. Verona was a good half-day trip for us, but it's time to go to Venice. Next week, we are touring the Venetian islands of Murano and Verona.